hedgehog lost all of its spines because it was unhappy. Peel off the skin of aloe vera to make aloe vera cream. The aloe vera cream can help the hedgehog regrow its spines. Wow, the spines are all regrown! The hedgehog likes to eat fruits, vegetables, and insects. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The hedgehog lives in the forest. Goodbye, hedgehog. Let's find out which animals also need our help. A Sika deer tangled in vines is found. A dirty penguin is found. A sick brown bear is found. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Hoi! Hoi! Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. There is an oil leakage on the sea. The penguin is covered in oil. Spray with detergent. Let's examine the interior of the penguin. There are so many bacteria in its stomach. Well done! The penguin loves the cold environment. Let's make some snow for it. Look, the penguin is so happy. The penguin likes to eat shrimp and fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The penguins live in Antarctica. Goodbye, penguin.